Okay guys, this is the third part of the Reddit automation series. This part is quite important. This part is actually where all the magic happens. It's the upvotes automation section. This is where we can actually use our created accounts to start, botting the votes, botting the upvotes. Okay. Now the way Reddit works is quite simple. They have a very cool algorithm, very good algorithm to figure out like bots and everything. So the way they work is they know if you're botting upvotes. Most of the times they will know. What they do is, they'll see how many accounts have upvoted the post, the account history, the type of upvotes that the account has. So if one account has done the same upvote on the same post all at once, then it's going to be clear that it was a botted account. If a bunch of accounts have upvoted a post at the exact same time in the same subreddit, it's clear that the bot is botted. The bot is the post has been botted. If the accounts have low karma and are brand new, then it's clear that the accounts are botted. So these are kind of like the way it tells itself that that it's clear that the bots. I don't know why I keep saying bots. The accounts are botted. So yeah, that's how it kind of tells itself. The algorithm knows. The algorithm kind of knows that it's botting. The post has been botted, and then it removes all the associated accounts and everything. So it shadow bans them more specifically. And the thing with shadow banning is you don't even know if your account is banned. That's the thing. So that's why I kind of created a module that allows you to check if your account has been shadow banned. And if it has been shadow banned, it will remove it from the database, and it removes it and adds it to this database. So this is the database that it adds the accounts. So it's the restricted accounts, and right now I only have 56. I've used around 300 accounts so far, and only 56 have been really shadow banned, which is totally normal. In fact, it's a lot lower than what you'd expect on most bots, but this is quite low compared to a lot of bots. And the reason a lot of these accounts are shadow banned in the first place is because I used new accounts and I decided let me start upvotes straight away, which is silly. Don't do that, please. Make sure you age the accounts, farmer calm the accounts, and then use the upvotes module, and also check if they're shadow banned first as well. So yeah, so I suggest you check your accounts if they're shadow banned. Use this option, and what will happen is it will do a complete run like this. You press OK, it will run through the proxies. It will check if the proxies work first, if you have that enabled, and then what it will do is that once it's checked all the proxies, it will start running through all the accounts. See, there's 68 accounts right now. It will run through all of them and check if they're still alive. If they are alive, they'll continue to be. They'll stay in the database. If they're not, they'll move it to the restricted accounts database. So that's about it for that section. The next part is, of course, running the actual upvotes automation section. So I'm gonna show you exactly how that works. So you go on upvotes from automation, and you can start botting the upvotes. So you go on upvotes, the upvotes tab, and you can see a lot of different sections here. Let's start with. You know what? I'm gonna bot. I'm gonna show you the power of this thing right now. Actually, I'm gonna bot a random thing from for hire. Let's bot a random post. Let's see. I think I will do. Okay, he's hiring. I think we'll do this one. Bossman 123243. It seems like a botted account itself, to be fair. So Bossman 243. Let's do Bossman 243. Let's do the for hire /hot, and of course let's do 60 accounts. Reddit link to upvote. So this is the Reddit link that is being used. Sleep until next run. Okay, so now I'm going to start explaining everything. Random subreddits. Okay, do you want to upvote random subreddits before? What this means is essentially, and I really suggest this, is it will go through random subreddits. So you can put some. So you put some subreddits right here, full link. Okay, you put the subreddits right here. Okay, and it will go through these subreddits. You choose random subreddits. The accounts will go through random subreddits, and then it will start upvoting those random subreddits. How many random subreddits will it load? So it can load between this number. So you can do 1 to 5 subreddits before it starts upvoting the main post. It will upvote random subreddits, and then how many upvotes do you want it to do in total for each subreddit. So you can choose between 1 to 3, whatever number you want to choose. Minimum comma, usually I go for 0. I just make sure the accounts are aged first. So you go here, you make sure that you put in 20 days, because I usually put 20 days. Make sure they're aged for 20 days at least before you start upvoting. And in order to make sure that it moves it to that aged account database, you just keep this number at 20, okay? And then it will move to the upvote database. I usually just do 0 then. You could do 20, 30 if you want to be more safe about it though. Random sleep, so it will randomly sleep whilst it's upvoting. It will sleep randomly, so you can choose between the time. Sleep between upvotes, this is in milliseconds, so it will be between 5,000 milliseconds and 10,000 milliseconds. How much to scroll until you find your post. So if your post is buried deep underneath, you can choose how much to scroll until it finds it. This is going to be the username that you want to upvote, and this is going to be the subreddit you want to upvote. Make sure you put the /hot in the end so that it knows that it needs to post that. How many accounts to post in total? This is the number of accounts you want total to upvote the post, the main post, and this is your post link. Sleep until next run. Obviously this is the same thing as before. Once it does the first set of threads and it finishes doing all the upvotes, it will wait a certain time period until it runs the second one. I really suggest making sure this is a high number so that it kind of stays underneath the Reddit radar. And yeah, for now I don't think I'm going to put this on because it takes a lot of time, but I really suggest if you are doing it, I suggest put that on. So we're going to run it now. We're going to see the kind of results you can get out of it. So yeah, we'll check all the proxies first. Oops, host unreachable, that's not good. Let me pause on. Sorry. Okay, so it looks like I completely forgot to turn on the I actually completely forgot to turn on the internet. I don't know what happened, but I forgot to turn on the internet. That's why it didn't work. So now let's try again. Okay, should be running now, I believe. Hopefully. So yeah, now it's gonna start running the accounts, and essentially what we'll do now is it's gonna run through the accounts. And if this does happen, by the way, where it kind of uses up all the proxies, but for some reason it just pauses, you just got to restart it. Just restart the tool and it should be okay. So yeah, so restart the tool and make sure you check the proxies beforehand. Make sure you're using some good proxies. I suggest IP Royal residential proxies. These are $3 per proxy. These are my suggestions. Okay, and you press OK and you run it through. So yeah, every single proxy is working, and there we go. This is what you want to see. You want to make sure that it shows this, and then it's gonna start running the running through the automation. I just need to check one more thing before I actually run it. Okay, great. So now it's gonna start testing the bot. I'm going to see if this actually does rank up. I think it will. Pretty positive it will, because 60 should be more than enough for this to rank. It's not a big subreddit either. It's quite a small one, and this is a very good subreddit in order to generate leads. I want to make a kind of an episode for people that do lead generation, like marketing and everything, how they can use this subreddit to really make a lot of money and start generating leads for the agency and everything. And I can show you how I did it basically. So yeah, it's using these accounts right now, and it's using these proxies, using the accounts running through, and it's going to start automating the upvotes. So if you just wait a while, it's going to check obviously the karma of the accounts first, because I did put it I put that option for it to check the karma, and then once it checks the karma of the account, it's going to go on that subreddit and it's going to start liking that post. It's great. I mean, yeah, it's going to start doing its magic essentially. So yeah, let's see how that works. I'll be back, guys. As you can see, it's upvoting random posts first. This is kind of how the algorithm, this is kind of how it stays underneath the algorithm, and it will upvote random posts first, and then it will start to find the main post. Once it finds the main post, every single account will essentially all these accounts that are running will, you know, upvote the main post, if that makes any sense. So I think it's already done 3 upvotes already. Yeah, so it's already done 3 upvotes on the main post. I think that might be enough for it to start ranking it. I'm not sure. Another thing to point out, guys, is yeah, so it's actually already ranked it to #1, which is quick, right? It's already ranked the post to #1. There's only a few upvotes. I only needed a few upvotes, to be fair. I think it was like 7 upvotes it needed. I don't think I need any more, so I'm going to restart it. But as you can see, like, that post, we've already ranked it to #1. And this guy, you know, the first thing you go on, you will even get a notification. Sometimes when a post does really well on Reddit, you get a notification saying, oh, um, this post got released, doing really well on For Hire, and people get a lot of these leads here. 337 people will see that notification. It's how you can generate a lot of leads. So yeah, guys, this is the third part of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me see. You guys can ask a lot of any question if you have any questions, and I'd love to help you out.